What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you this new hobby of mine that I've been doing for a few months. I recently got into no prep RC drag racing. It's a lot of fun. I'm on my second car right now. I started off with a car that I built for 13.5 spec, which is a class where you're limited to a 13.5 turn motor. And recently I built this car for a street outlaw class, which is a class that has no motor limit. You're just limited basically to a 2S battery and a rubber tire that takes foams, but you're allowed to run without foams. But yeah, they're a lot faster than the 13.5 cars. I still haven't got it quite figured out, but I'm getting better at it. Today I'm going to show you my car. Alright, so this is my Street Eliminator no prep RC drag car. I'm running this J Concepts The Machine Firebird Pro Mod body. This one's already pretty banged up because I've had this thing on the lid a lot of times trying to figure it out, and I'm having a hard time. This car is based off of a Team Associated DR10. I'm using a Undercover RC carbon fiber chassis and their wheelie bar. For electronics, I have a Tekin RX8 Gen3, which is an A-scale ESC. The reason I'm using this is because I have a 2.5 turn motor from Trinity. It's a Trinity Dragmaster 2.5. I wouldn't be able to run this motor on like a standard 10 scale ESC because it'll burn it out. So I have the 8 scale ESC. I have a cheap PowerHP Servo on this. I'm running China Hobby Line CNHL 8000 mAh 120C battery. This is a very inexpensive battery and it's actually been very good. I'm very happy with this. I have no complaints. I'm using a standard Traxxas receiver and transmitter TQI with no TSM. You're not allowed to use the TSM, which is a gyro to help you with stability. It's not allowed in the class, so I'm not using any TSM. I've got Traxxas wheelie bar wheels with the rubber tire. I've got Traxxas GTR shocks from, I believe these were from a Jado. I got these set up with the DR10 springs. I changed the fluid in them, and I've got 90 weight in the rear and 60 weight in the front. I'm running a slipper eliminator from Exotec Racing. I've got PowerHP GNSS performance analyzer GPS. This is similar to like a draggy on the full scale cars. Lets you know what you do in 132 feet, or you could set it up to other parameters. It could be set to show you top speed, circuit lap times, whatever you want. It's a pretty cool toy, very good for tuning. So for wheels and tires, I'm running the DR10 wheels that came with the team kit. I actually just painted them, detailed them. What I did was I cut the back lip off of them to make them narrower, and I'm running carpet buggy tires. These are Proline Prisms. They're a little bit shorter and a little bit narrower than the standard drag tires that are available on the market. So this helped a little bit with the ride height. In the rear, I have the DR10 wheels as well, just detailed. I've been running Proline Reacton tires. I have them in the bag because I just treated them with simple green to soften them up, because we have a race coming tomorrow. This is the Exotec slipper eliminator I was talking about. The car is pretty freaking fast, I'm not gonna lie. My best time so far on the GNSS analyzer was a 236, I believe, or a 232 at 66 miles per hour. I've had other passes where I've had the car up to 70 mile an hour, but the ET hasn't been great. It's been like a 250 something because the car gets a lot of wheel speed mid-track. It's hard to control the traction. I've got some weight on the front because what happens is that mid-track the car wants to get up on the wheelie bar and it unloads the back tires and causes it to lose traction. Like I said, I still haven't had this car completely figured out. I've been messing with it for a short time, and it has the potential to be really fast, but I just haven't got there yet with it. So like I said, tomorrow we have a race coming up. It's a cash race. Our local club or group, once a month we host a cash race, usually towards the end of the month. It's something simple. It's like a cash days layout, single elimination, except we allow a first round buyback. The buy-in is usually $20, $10 buyback first round, and it's like a $10 track fee for the guy that owns the DTS, and he doesn't want to have to pay to fix it if somebody smashes into it and destroys it, so that goes towards that. I'm going to be going out there tomorrow. Hopefully I do good. It's going to be my first race with this car. I don't expect to win really, because there's a lot of guys coming from around the state, Naples, Fort Myers area, and Broward County, and you know, these are guys that have been in the game for a long time and have their program figured out. I'm still trying to dial this car in. It's not fast. My 13.5 car, I spent like around 6 months working on that, and I did get that pretty dialed in, enough to where it was a good competitor. But this car, I'm still, you know, this is still green to me. Hopefully tomorrow I do good. I'm going to try to get some video from the event and put it up for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, you know, please comment, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.